Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I hope you all are doing good, but I ain't doing good because I just stepped on a dog's shit and it is making me feel so disgusted to keep my leg on the footpath. Unfortunately, I do not have the time to stop and clean my shoes because I'm already late to reach somewhere. Sorry buddy. That desire should have at least looked if someone is coming on. Guys, it's a free advice. Always stay away from auto rickshaws and swift desires with yellow number plate. They really don't care about other riders. Delhi after a small rain looks really beautiful though. These are distractions on while riding. First time I'm seeing auto rickshaw is correcting the pictures well done. It's not switching it off. I think you have to line on for this is actually one of the most beautiful roads in Delhi. It's called Shahjahan Road and also known as the UPSC Road. Switching to cinematic mode, just enjoy the view guys. Some police checking going on. I didn't have the time to remove the camera. They didn't ask me to stop. Sometimes I feel like they will ask me to stop when they see the camera on my helmet, as it is illegal to attach camera on helmet in some states. Hope left is free. That's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this short vlog. So I am signing off. Tata, bye bye, take care, ride safe.